Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm kind of just chilling, playing with new makeup and kind of giving you guys another like little life update. So if you guys want to hear all about that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did work this morning, so I have like kind of like my everyday makeup on. So I'm just gonna quickly wipe that off. And yeah, it was just like concealer and blush and some highlight, but I'm not gonna wipe off like my brows and mascara because I'm a lazy ass bitch. Okay, so by the time you guys see this video, I think you guys already saw my review on this palette, but we're just going to use it again today just because I still want to do some more looks with it, and it's a pretty new palette to me, so I'm going to use this palette again. This is the Daisy Marquez XBH Cosmetics palette. It's super cute. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below, but I think we're going to do something like using these like green minty shades just because you know, I'm wearing green, got some green vibes going on, so we're going to do that. And I'm just going to prime my lids with like a freaking random ass concealer. I really don't care. Sorry if I ever touch my nose and like it's because my nose ring like twists and it sticks out, so I have to like push it back in, you know. I'm going in with this like mint shade right here. I actually have the time to sit down and film, and I'm actually really excited because nobody's home either, and I love when no one's home and I get to film, you know? I mean, I'll still film when people are home, but it's just like I'm over here like whispering and shit because I don't want people to hear me. I just feel weird, you know? But I really want to like set up like a little studio in my basement. I don't know, I feel like I'm at the point where I kind of want to step up like the quality of my videos. Like, I know the quality isn't bad, but I feel like I can just step it up even more, and I have like the equipment and everything and the space and everything to do it, so why not like do it, you know? Just do it. Okay, just taking cocoa and like deepening up the eye look. But anyways, what was I saying? So yeah, I still work today, just not at my second job. But either way, I feel like really like good today. Like, I don't know. I woke up seeing a new weight on the scale today that really motivated me, and plus I am going to the gym after this, and then I'm going to my booze soccer game, and I worked and I edited a different video that's going to be going up soon, plus I'm filming another video, and got my braces appointment over with. I'm just feeling like I'm feeling good. I don't know. And I've been eating right all day, you know. Also, my sister's getting really big. She's like, how many months pregnant? She's due in May, so she's 7 months, right? So she still has like 2 months to go, but she's like really big. I hope she doesn't watch my videos. She probably does. Well, I don't know if she watches all of them, but she probably does watch some of my videos. But yeah, she's really big, so it's getting close to that time, and the baby shower is going to be next month. Oh my god. I bought like a bunch of baby stuff, guys. I go so overboard when it comes to like buying people gifts. Like, I don't know what it is, but I get more excited buying stuff for other people than myself. Like, is anyone the same way? I will like especially if it's like my boyfriend or like a friend or like baby stuff. Oh my gosh, don't even get me started. Like when I entered the baby section in Target, like it was over. A part of me is like, it's worth it, but like you need to stop, you need to chill, because I'm going to LA this summer. I'm going to LA in July. I already bought my plane ticket and I already have the place that I'm staying at, and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Like, I've been wanting to go to Cali for so long, and I can't believe I'm like actually for real going there. If you guys have any suggestions of like where I definitely need to go, like please let me know, because I'm really like, I don't know, I'm not sure. Like I have some places I want to go to. You know, I could get the help and advice, you know. Okay, this is what the eyes look like. I know I look kind of funny, but it's whatever. So I just used the Mario Badescu spray to hydrate my skin a little, and I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, stick foundation. I've been really wanting to try this out. I've heard a lot of really good things about it. So I saw it at Target. The day I went to go get all the baby stuff, I saw this at Target and I picked it up. This is the lightest shade that they had, and it seems to be a decent shade match. I think I'm gonna try one side with a beauty sponge and then blend out the other side with a brush. It's like applying weird. I don't know if it's because my face is wet, but you can literally see all my like pores while applying it. Like I've never had that happen. I don't know how to explain it. It's like bubbly, but you can't see from this far away, obviously. That's another thing I wanted to mention. Okay, let me just blend out this foundation and then I'll tell you guys what I wanted to say. I'm actually super impressed so far. My skin looks dewy, but like it covered everything pretty nicely and it doesn't look like cakey. I'm so shook right now. Okay, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer for my under eyes, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Jouer concealer because this one's just a lip. Oh my gosh. I think I twisted it too much. Oh no. That was way more than I needed. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Maybelline one because this is like way too dark. And the Maybelline, what am I saying? I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Jouer concealer because that one's a little too light and this one is a little too dark, so it should like balance out. Okay, so I set my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder just because I don't have any new one and that's the newest one that I have. So now that my face is set, I can tell you guys that I actually want to get a vlogging camera. One, because I don't know, I feel like since I've been so busy, I just feel like the times that I do go out, like it would just be easy for me to, it would just be easier like to do little vlogs, you know, like to film and edit. Those would be a lot easier if I were able to upload a couple of vlogs. uploading a vlog like every now and then. I just feel like editing and filming those would be a lot easier, and plus since I live really close to Chicago, like maybe you guys want to see some vlogs about the city or specific places, or also since I'm going to LA, like I can vlog stuff there, and I don't know, I just want to try it out, you know? So if you guys would be interested in seeing vlogs from me, let me know down below, because I'm not sure at the moment, because like obviously I already have a camera, and like that's a whole like investment right there. I mean, it's not like a crazy expensive camera, but you know, I have other stuff like I'm paying for, so like if you guys would actually watch them and think it'd be a good idea for me, then let me know down below. But to contour and like bronze, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit. I actually got this from TJ Maxx last week, and it was like half off, so obviously I got it because I've actually been wanting to try this out. So I'm going to try the medium one just because I'm not sure, that might be a little too dark for me, so I don't want to go in with it and it be too dark. Okay, for highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade 250, and then I'm going to use this Flower Beauty Peach Primrose blush. And I always apply my highlight before I apply blush, just because I like to use the blush like to mesh the two together. I'm just going to take this like pencil brush and buff that mint shade under on the lower lash line. I guess I'm just going to put some black. Okay, for lips, I'm literally too lazy to get up, so I'm going to use this lipstick that was right here in my purse. This is Hazel from Kylie Cosmetics. And it probably doesn't even go with this. It's like literally like a freaking like orange brown, and I have like green on my eyes. Let me see if I have another. Oh wow, I had two more lipsticks in here. And my mascara is in here too. Okay, I'm gonna fix this up. My face looks like literal throw up with these two combined. So I'm going to apply this Manila liquid lipstick from Ofra off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I changed the lipstick and this looks so much better, and my face makeup actually looks really good. Like the base of my base looks so good. Like this is the best foundation stick I've probably ever tried. Like I'm not even kidding. And comparing this to the expensive as Hourglass foundation, honestly I feel like I should do a video on that because I hate that foundation stick and I spent so much money on it and I still have it. Would you guys like want to see me compare those two? Because I feel like that would be so interesting just to show you guys like the difference. And this one's like what, $5 and the other one's like $50, so I feel like that would be such a good video to do. But anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked seeing me play with new makeup and kind of update you guys on my life and just ramble about little things. And yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, then please give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below what you guys thought. Also, don't forget to leave video suggestions down below just because I want to know what you guys want to see. So don't forget to do that, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're so close to 1K and I really want to hit that soon, and I believe we can. So Please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!